Cloud AI image generation tools come with limitations, including usage caps, monthly costs, and privacy risks, as your images are processed on external servers. Content restrictions can also limit your creative freedom. We believe you should have unlimited generation with complete control. Meet Stable Diffusion Community, the open-source AI image revolution. It offers local generation on your GPU, giving you control over your data with no external servers. You'll have no limits and can generate as much as your hardware allows. It is open source, meaning you can fork it, modify it, and build on top of it. Plus, it's free for users like researchers, developers, small businesses, and creators, with less than $1 million in annual revenue. Key features include it being completely free and open source under the MIT license, allowing for commercial products. It runs locally on your GPU for total privacy, as images never leave your machine. You can train custom models to fine-tune your own images for a personalized style. Best of all, you get unlimited generations with no usage caps. Who benefits? Anyone seeking unlimited AI image generation without ongoing costs. Developers can build apps without worrying about API costs. Artists gain complete creative control and full ownership of every image. Researchers can freely experiment with models, weights, and techniques. Hobbyists can generate endlessly with no monthly bill and no limits. It's time to free your creativity. Your machine, your rules, unlimited. The path to unlimited image generation is simple. Install Automatic 1111 Web UI from GitHub, download a Stable Diffusion model, and generate unlimited images on your own machine. Join the thriving open source community today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more content.